In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "your connection is not private" error on Google Chrome. This can be a pretty frustrating issue, especially when you're trying to access a website quickly and efficiently. But don't worry, it's a common problem and we can fix it in just a few steps. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now head over to the top right corner of the browser. You'll notice 3 vertical dots there. Go ahead and click on those. This will bring up a drop-down menu with a variety of options you can explore. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open a new tab with all Chrome's settings options laid out for you. Next, turn your attention to the left panel. You'll see a couple of different categories here, but what we're interested in today is the Privacy and Security section. Give that a click. Once you're in the Privacy and Security settings, you'll likely see multiple options and features that help protect your internet activity. But for now, we're going to focus on Security. Click on it and you should be taken to a page dedicated solely to Chrome's security settings. Here you'll find several settings related to security and secure connections. Look for the option titled Secure Connections. Within this section, you'll see a toggle that says Always Use Secure Connections. This setting automatically ensures you're switched to a secure HTTPS connection whenever possible. However, in some cases, it might be contributing to the error message you're seeing, especially if a website doesn't fully support HTTPS. At this point, what you need to do is to toggle off the Always Use Secure Connections setting. Simply click on the toggle so that it switches from on to off. Now, some might wonder if this compromises your safety online, but rest assured, this setting is primarily for convenience rather than security. Disabling it doesn't make browsing unsafe, but it can help in troubleshooting and accessing sites that might not have up-to-date certificates. Once you've toggled off this option, you can go ahead and close the Settings tab. Now go back to the website that was giving you trouble and try to refresh it. In most cases, this should resolve the "your connection is not private" error, allowing you to access the site without further hitches. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to address the privacy error in Google Chrome. I hope you found this walkthrough useful. If you did, be sure to check out our other tips and tricks to make your browsing experience as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching.